Happy Easter, chick. Are you a chick?
Cuckoo.
Happy Easter. Are you a good bird? You want this? You want this? You're so puffy. You want this? What is it? Uh-oh. What happened? He's spitting it out. He's not eating the plastic, so I'm not that concerned. And I'm certainly not going to let him eat the chocolate. Here, give me that. You got a piece of plastic. Come here. Good boy. Get the bunny. Are you a chicken? Hey, are you a chicken? Are you a chick? A bird? Are you a bird? I think you're busy. I'm surprised he's not actually puncturing that. He's pushing it. What's the matter? You want that bunny? Here. Gentle. Gentle. You frustrated? Are you frustrated? Step up. Oh no, no step up. Step up. What's in your mouth? What's in your mouth? Give me that. With your beak? What's in your beak? It's not a mouth. What's in your beak? With your beak? Where's your tongue? Hi, Simon. You cannot get it. Okay, that's enough. Come here. Okay, birdie. Come here. Come here. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Whoa. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Cuckoo. Say bye-bye. Give me a kiss. That's not a kiss. Give me a kiss. Okay, we'll take that as a kiss. I love you. Bye-bye, Simon. Happy Easter, little guy.